Hi everyone, it's Lisa Brown with InkandInspirations.com. Thanks for joining me today. In this video, I wanted to show you how I did this little treatment right here with this tassel for this child's card. I try to keep a stack of these in case my daughters need some. And I saw this and I realized I think I need to show them that. And so this is the denim ribbon from the Stampin' Up! Annual Catalog. And I just cut it to where I can get one of the white fibers loose, and you can see it just starts pulling and makes a great little tassel. And you can make it as long as you want to. Look at that. Isn't that fun? Okay, so, and you know, I have to admit, sometimes it takes me a little while and a little snipping to get it started, but once you get hold of that white thread, the one that binds it together, you come up and it just pulls out so easily and makes such a fun tassel. So give that a try and try it on your projects. I think you'll really be pleased with it. It's a fun little element and a different way to use your ribbon. If you have any questions, let me know. Visit my website at InkandInspirations.com, and I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.